we're going to be talking about the heart, which is located on your left side of your chest. So as you can see here, there's two upper chambers of the heart, two spaces, and there's two lower chambers. The two upper chambers are called atria, and the two lower chambers are called ventricles. So as you can see here, blood comes into the heart either from the superior vena cava or the inferior vena cava. It flows into the right side of the heart, the right upper chamber, called the right atrium. It's then going to flow into the right ventricle, up into the pulmonary artery. So artery stands with A, and that means away from the heart. And it's going to go to the lungs, where that blood is going to be filled with oxygen. Once it has oxygen that helps you breathe, it's going to come back into the heart from the pulmonary veins. And it's going to come back into the heart, into the left atrium. And then it's going to flow into the left ventricle, which is that bigger chamber. Then it's going to flow into the aorta and out to the body. Aorta stands for A, so again that means away. So away means away from the heart, so out to the body. Here you can see the heart and the lungs, and this is just showing that blood flows into the lungs that doesn't have oxygen, and then the lungs are going to give that blood oxygen, and then it's going to go back to the heart and then out to the body, out of the aorta. So right here we have a cow heart. As you can see, it is very big. And all of this white part right here is fat. So that's covering the layer of the heart. This pink part is muscle. So that's your heart muscle, or the cow's heart muscle. So right here, we have the inside of the heart. So remember, this white part is the fat, and the pink part is the muscle. This super white part here is actually the tendon, and these are your heartstrings, or the cow's heartstrings. So earlier we were talking about the chambers of the heart. So here, just a little bit, you can see this upper part right here is the atria, and the blood flows through the atria, through this valve right here. And the valve opens and closes, so the blood can flow from the smaller atria to the bigger ventricle. And here's those strings right there. So here's another view of the heart right here. This pink part's the muscle, and this white part's the fat. So these again are the heartstrings, right here. And it goes from the smaller upper chamber of the blood down into the bigger chamber. So the smaller one's the atria and the bigger one's the ventricle.